Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on enabling and using the reading list in Google Chrome. So if you want to know about it, either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. First of all, we will copy this address, which is Chrome flags, to the address bar of Google Chrome, and then we will hit enter. After hitting enter, in the search flags field, we will type reading list. For the reading list option, we will change the status to enabled, and then we will click on relaunch to relaunch Google Chrome. Once it has relaunched, when we click on the star-like symbol here, we will find this option to add to reading list. For example, if I type the Windows Club and hit enter and I wish to save this page, then I'll click on the star-like symbol and I'll click on reading list, and it will be saved to the reading list here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.